Hi, this is the absolutely beautiful Rio N Valley in Peru. This is pretty much the most diverse wildlife you're going to get anywhere in the world. This is pristine rainforest that supports an extraordinary range of ecological services, whether it be the Ashaninka, the local people we work with, whether it be the extraordinary biodiversity, the water it produces, the oxygen it produces. This is some of the most valuable rainforest in the world. And without the support of Tropicana, without their help, this could easily be destroyed within the next 18 months. We have predatory logging less than 20 miles over there, and certainly there's a huge risk that without their support and the work that they're doing with Cool Earth, that this really could be threatened within a matter of months. So thank you very much, Tropicana.